Ya, sekarang kita sudah sampai di kantornya di Schecter Custom Shop. Yuk, kita sambut orang-orang yang ada di dalam sini nih.
Hey,
welcome.
How are you? Good to see you.
Hi Michael.
In the neighborhood?
Yeah, alright.
Ini adalah Ryan dan ini adalah Michael. Ya, this is Ryan and this is Michael. Oke.
Welcome. Come on in.
Kami sedang berada di workshop langsung di pabriknya Schecter USA Custom Shop, dan saat ini kami juga sudah bertemu dengan tim-tim dari Schecter MASTERWORKS. Nah, ini dia. Nah, ini adalah Mr. Shigeki. Halo.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Very good. How are you?
Okay, and ini adalah Ryan Martin. Oke.
Nice to see you again.
Oke, jadi hari ini kita akan mendiskusikan tentang pembuatan Schecter MASTERWORKS. Jadi Schecter MASTERWORKS ini bagaimana kita akan berdiskusi untuk bagaimana dari pemilihan kayu sampai pemilihan speknya sampai semuanya, dan ini kita bukan bohong-bohongan ya. Jadi kita ini adalah real. Jadi kita this is a real order. Jadi kita tidak akan bukan hanya pura-pura untuk hanya buat video, tapi memang gitarnya nanti akan ada di kira-kira 6 sampai 8 bulan untuk ke depan. Oke, yuk kita mulai diskusinya. Oke, Shigeki, so let's start with the body.
Okay, let's go outside in the shop. I can show you where the auto blank is at.
Oke, jadi dia akan menunjukkan untuk pilihan body-body yang ada untuk yang kita mau order nih, guys.
Actually, weight is on the side, so we can kind of see. Probably we should pick the lighter one.
Oke. Nah, ini jadi adalah pilihan untuk berat-berat kayu alder yang mereka lagi ada saat ini. By the way, regarding the price, is the price this is different?
It's the same. It doesn't change.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, if it's light or heavy, the swap ash actually changed the price quite a bit.
Oh,
But,
alright.
all the it doesn't change.
Oh, oke. Oke, jadi untuk yang harga di sini semua harganya ini sama nih. Jadi untuk harga kayunya ini materialnya sama, hanya pilihan untuk beratnya saja yang berbeda-beda. Nah, mungkin kita bisa memilih yang lebih enteng ya. Jadi lebih ringan supaya lebih enak juga kalau kita mau untuk dimainin ya nanti kalau ini ketika sudah jadi, guys.
One of the lightest one is in there, so I wanna kind of see. Yeah, but we have to remove everything. Oh, you can pull probably.
Yeah, I can. It's like Jenga. You know that game? So basically, yeah, with the alder, you're looking at the weight more than anything because you're going to cover this with the finish, so it's not as important for the grain.
Oke.
It's more for the weight.
Ya, ya karena ini nanti akan menjadi solid finish. Jadi kita akan memilih bukan kayu yang natural tapi solid finish. Jadi untuk pemilihan urat kayunya kita nggak terlalu mementingkan, tapi yang penting lebih ke kayunya ini dia lebih enteng nih. Nah, kita akan memilih untuk kayu yang beratnya di 8,64. Oke, 8,64 ini this is LBS.
Yeah, 8 pounds, 8.64 pounds.
Oke. Jadi dia beratnya sekitar 8,64 pound. So it's gonna be maybe 4.3 kilograms.
Yeah, and once you cut out the body, obviously it'll be less.
Yeah, much lighter.
You're taking.
Oke. Ya, jadi nanti ketika sudah bodinya dipotong, sudah dikat mungkin hanya sekitar 3,5 kilo sekian gitu, karena ini kan masih berat yang utuh dari kayunya nih, guys.
This is probably the lightest one.
Oh, oke. Oh, ya. Oke. Nah, ini yang paling enteng nih, guys. 8,6 nih. Ini kayu.
Lebih enteng.
Iya.
There's another.
Kayu yang lebih enteng. Grainnya juga asik. Oke, jadi gimana? Apa kita pilih yang ini aja ya? Sepertinya saya akan memilih yang ini aja karena ini bodinya enteng, terus kemudian juga uratnya juga, the grainnya asik juga. Terus ini juga kayunya adalah 2 pieces. So this is 2 pieces elder wood, right?
Yes.
Yes. Ya, ini adalah elder 2 pieces. Alright then.
Is this the one?
Yeah, this is one.
The winner. Yeah, I like the grain too.
Yeah, that one is the best. Oh ya, by the way, kita akan membuat yang modelnya adalah untuk yang model tradisional Wembley 2. Jadi Wembley 2 itu dia modelnya seperti yang Schecter tradisional, tapi dengan looks yang lebih tua ya. Jadi dengan looks yang lebih tua, nah kita pilih yang ini nih. Jadi body sudah dapat ya. Oke, jadi body kita sudah dapat. Alright, okay, so next.
For the neck material.
Alright, okay.
Maybe we can pick some darker one.
Okay.
And I think this thickness is enough to get a fingerboard out of it, but I'm not 100% sure.
Okay. Okay. This is already roasted.
It is roasted.
It is
This is
roasted.
a regular maple.
Okay, this is the
So
regular.
you can kind of see the difference.
Oke, ya. Bisa dilihat, oke, di sini untuk videonya. Jadi yang ini necknya sudah roasted ya. Jadi ini sudah di roasted, sudah di baked maple. Sedangkan kalau yang di bawah yang lebih cerah, yang lebih muda, ini dia masih yang kayu maple standar. Gitu. Jadi mereka sudah menerima juga kayu-kayu yang sudah di roasted nih. Nah, kita akan memilih kayu neck yang roasted ya. Jadi kita milih yang roasted dan kita akan memilih jenis kayunya atau urat kayunya yang seperti gimana nih guys. So we like to order the scallop neck.
Okay.
I mean the scallop fingerboard, and then you just ask to use the quarter sound neck, right?
Yes.
The quarter
Yeah.
sound.
I think it's better to use quarter sound because it's much harder.
Alright, okay.
Okay. So.
And these are all quarter
You wanna?
sound.
Oh, these are
Yes,
all
those are
Yeah, these are
quarter.
all
So you can tell the quarter sound grain going like straight up,
Okay.
and I can show you later. The flat sound is
Oh, the flat
kind of
sound.
grain going
Okay.
sideways.
Okay.
So
Alright.
let's pick some darker one.
Okay. Jadi untuk dari timnya Masterwork dia menyarankan kalau untuk pembuatan yang fingerboard yang scallop fingerboard itu mereka menyarankan untuk menggunakan pakai quarter sound karena akan dudukannya akan lebih kuat. Jadi dia tidak akan ada kemungkinan untuk necknya bow neck atau apa segala macam. Jadi mereka menyarankan untuk menggunakan pakai quarter sound maple neck.
Let's go. We'll go ask Tetsu.
Okay.
Because we have to see if this piece of wood is thick enough for both fretboard and neck.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's all one piece.
Oke, jadi kita ke belakang dulu.
Watch
Kita
out
untuk
for
melihat.
sharp things.
Ya, oke. Jadi kita untuk melihat perbedaan sama untuk menunjukkan dari si gimana nanti setelah pembuatan scallopnya. Oke, jadi gini kita lagi memilih untuk antara C-shape atau D-shape. Jadi kita lihat nanti untuk yang pilihan neck yang satunya lagi nih.
So Shigeki's gonna know in here which one is the U-shaped.
Ya, ada D-shape or U-shape ya. Ya, jadi untuk pilihan neck yang untuk U-shape ya. Jadi kita lagi mau lihat yang tadi kan udah pegang yang C-shape. Sekarang kita lagi mau pegang untuk yang U-shape neck. Nah, itu bagaimana kita compare-nya. Jadi
I think this is more like a little bit fatter.
okay. This is a U-shape or D-shape? U-shape.
Yeah,
Okay.
the V shape is gonna be a little more pointy in the middle.
In the middle.
So,
Oke. Oke guys, ini adalah U-shape neck. Kalau di compare dengan yang C-shape yang tadi, dia lebih tebal di bagian sininya nih. Jadi di bagian sampingnya sini lebih thicker, tetapi dia untuk ketebalan di belakangnya masih sama. Oke, I think I choose the U-shape.
Okay. Oh, you like this one? This
Yeah.
shape better?
So that's what we'll write down.
With the
on here.
scallop, I think it's
Yeah,
better.
it's better.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
I like-
hold much better
Ya.
with this shape.
Oke, jadi saya akan memutuskan untuk memilih U-shape. Jadi ketimbang pakai C-shape karena C-shape kalau untuk di scallop itu lebih agak takutnya ketipisan, sedangkan kalau untuk di U-shape nanti kalau ketika di scallop akan lebih nyaman dia dimainkannya. Jadi kita pilih U-shape, oke? Kita pilih U-shape neck. Oke, yuk kita kembali lagi ke untuk spek necknya karena kita sudah menemukan bentuk neck shape yang kita inginkan, yaitu ukurannya adalah U-neck. Nah sekarang kita kembali lagi, kita akan memilih untuk grainnya nih. Alright, oke. Jadi kita akan memilih yang lebih darker atau yang lebih gelap ya.
There's one that looks pretty dark.
Ya.
Maybe this looks like a good one.
And I think it's better the tighter the grain.
Ya, the grain
Better.
That's a
This
nice one.
one's a little bit softer.
Ya. Oke, can I see
Yeah.
that one too? Oke. Jadi kita pilih yang roasted maple-nya agak lebih gelap. Nah, seperti ini nih guys nih. Waduh, kayaknya saya masih suka yang ini nih. Masih belum ada yang bisa mengalahkan yang ini. Apa kita pilih yang ini aja? Alright. Oke, I think I pick this one.
This one?
This
Okay,
one.
great.
Alright, kita pilih yang ini guys. Oke.
Right on. I'll put it next to the body. It's like goozling.
Oke, jadi ini ada dua opsi nih. Kalau untuk di model tradisional ada yang 25,5 scale-nya sama yang 2475. Tapi kayaknya saya akan memilih yang 25,5. Dari untuk masalah tension ya, dari string tension, jadi sama untuk snap-nya memang lebih enak untuk 25,5. Kalau untuk kita memilih yang model tradisional ya atau model strat. Karena memang strat itu memang kodratnya harus 25,5 daripada 24,75. Oke. So I decide to choose the 25.5.
Okay.
So okay. By the way, I want to ask you about the laminated neck.
For the neck or for the body?
Oh, for the body, sorry.
For the body, yeah. Unless you wanna have a plain top or something,
Okay.
then you don't have
no need
to.
to.
Yeah, you don't have to choose it.
Oke, jadi kalau untuk yang bodinya plain tidak ada pilihan untuk laminate karena memang tidak ada tambahan untuk topnya lagi. Jadi ya udah sudah kondisi body yang tadi kita udah pilih, ya udah seperti itu aja sih. Oke. Regarding the thrust position, so that will be spoke wheel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same as the current one
Yes,
you saw at
same one.
NAM, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Same as the Nick Johnston.
Oke, jadi untuk thrust position itu nanti akan ada di bawah. Jadi bukan di headstock, tapi ada di bawah di pangkal neck. Nah itu akan lebih gampang. Jadi akan dia adjusting necknya hanya tinggal pakai kunci L atau pakai besi aja, tinggal diputar aja. Jadi kita memilih untuk position necknya itu ada di bagian di spoke wheel di bawah. Oke. Can you please explain us about the reinforcement? Okay, what is it?
We usually use carbon fiber
Okay.
wrap on each side from the truck,
Okay.
and make it neck more stable.
Oh, okay.
So the quarter zone, especially roasted, we probably don't need it.
All
But
right.
if somebody wanna have, like, even wanna make it a little more stronger and a little more stable, you can choose that option.
Okay.
But majority of customers choosing roasted quarter zone, they usually don't worry about it, but it's already stable and hard.
Oke. Jadi untuk dan di sini kan ada pilihan untuk reinforced neck. Jadi kalau dia menyarankan kalau sudah memilih yang quarter zone neck maple dan juga sudah roasted maple neck, itu tidak diperlukan reinforced neck option. Itu. Dan kalaupun mau menambah reinforced neck option itu untuk lebih kestabilan necknya, nah itu tidak ada tambahan biaya. Pada dasarnya begitu. Tapi karena kita sudah memakai neck yang tadi sudah roasted dan juga sudah quarter zone, jadi saran dia tidak diperlukan opsi reinforced tersebut. The neck plate, yeah. Do you think that? By the way, can we choose the angle neck plate like the?
I think so. I can show you the difference.
Okay.
And a little bit kind of easier to
Yeah.
access.
So access. Oke, jadi ini untuk yang biasa ya. Jadi
And,
untuk neck plate biasa.
But somebody who really likes the vintage, it usually picking those because the vintage guitar is kind of like that, even a little bit hard.
Oke.
But some people prefer this way. Right.
Okay.
So this is vintage
Yeah.
style,
Okay.
and we have another option to do like this as well, just collecting dust. But
Okay. So there is no.
yeah,
plate
there's
or
no neck plate, but
No neck
it's
plate.
like a metal bushing.
Okay.
And this one is a little more easier even because it's rounded and I
Okay.
feel comfortable.
Okay.
But doesn't look traditional. So some people
Yeah.
looking for traditional guitar usually don't like it.
Yeah.
But if somebody wants to have, I mean, this guitar has a scallop, so
Yeah.
I don't see why not.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
some people like it,
Okay.
some people don't.
Okay.
So those are the main three options
Okay.
you can choose.
Okay.
And this one we usually charge a little more,
Okay.
maybe 150 or 200.
Oh, okay.
Something like that.
Oke, jadi untuk yang neck yang seperti yang untuk pilihan neck pocket yang seperti tadi nih, yang tidak pakai neck pocket justru malah dia ada tambahan harga sekitar 150 sampai 200 USD kalau untuk yang modelnya seperti ini. Coba bisa dilihat dari sini. Nah, yang seperti ini jadi tidak pakai neck pocket. Nah, itu justru malah dia tambahan harga sekitar 150 sampai 200 USD.
We could do recess like that, and a kind of shape like that too.
Oke.
And we have a neck plate already made.
Okay, so how much the upcast for this?
It probably just so if this is 200,
Okay.
this probably 350.
Oke, jadi untuk perbedaan harganya, yang model tadi malah lebih mahal. Jadi udah pakai neck plate tapi di recess itu tambahannya adalah sekitar 350 USD. Itu malah lebih mahal lagi. Nah, kayaknya kalau untuk model strat atau model tradisional kayaknya kurang gitu perlu sih. Jadi kayaknya saya akan memutuskan lebih ke yang model defaultnya dia saja.
Be similar to what the Nick Johnston is currently, so same type of thing.
Oke.
Like this here.
Oke. Jadi ini untuk yang model yang si traditional Bemble itu yang sekarang kita pesan. Jadi sepertinya most likely kita akan memesan model yang seperti ini saja. Alright, oke. So
that one,
Okay.
the regular one.
Oke, jadi kita memutuskan untuk milih yang model yang seperti tadi aja. Jadi tetap ada neck plate-nya tapi dia agak bisa sedikit, jadi enak tuh. Jadi dia ada angle-nya juga di bagian sininya nih, itu akan lebih tipis juga. Nah, jadi kalau ketika dimainkan itu akan nyaman sekali di bagian sininya. Karena kalau saya sendiri juga masih lebih suka ada neck plate yang bentuk kotak begitu sih. Oke. Nah, by the way, si Geki, when we change the option for the reinforcement, I think we would like to use the reinforced neck.
Oh, okay. Actually, you want to use it? Okay.
Ya, oke. Jadi tadi setelah dipikir-pikir kayaknya kita mau tetap coba pakai yang reinforced neck, jadi supaya necknya juga lebih stabil juga. Jadi
It might be a good idea because it's scallop.
Ya. Oke. Nah, jadi karena scallop, jadi memang itu diperlukan untuk menggunakan reinforced neck. Gitu, ketimbang yang neck biasa sih. Oke, so next to the fret. Oke, so what kind of fret wires do you have?
We now usually using just car
Oke.
and mainly two different types: that's regular nickel silver and stainless.
Oke, jadi ada dua pilihan untuk yang alright. Jadi ada dua pilihan yaitu untuk yang nickel silver dan juga untuk yang stainless. Kita lihat yuk. Kita lihat bagaimana perbedaannya. Semuanya adalah J-Scar, tapi kita lihat J-Scar yang mana yang akan kita pilih untuk yang ini nih.
So I don't know if you can tell by just looking at it, but stainless is much harder
Oke.
and it doesn't wear off easily.
Oh, oke.
And if somebody looking for brighter sounding,
Oke.
probably this is the frets to choose.
Oke.
And you can probably tell it looks a little more like a bluish color compared to regular one, the little yellowish.
Yellowish, oke.
And another good part of it is never tarnished. If you put in a fingerboard on it,
Oke.
you can just wipe it off.
Oh.
But a regular frets, if you put a fingerprint on it for a couple of days, it's gonna get tarnished.
Oke.
So that's also easy to maintain.
Okay, can I see the difference? The physical,
Right.
the physical of the
So
bike.
this is stainless,
This is stainless, okay.
and this is the regular one. You can probably see the color difference also.
Okay.
This is more like a blue-ish color.
Okay.
The other one is like
Very subtle.
yellow,
Yeah.
creamy. You can try to bend, so you can feel the hardness different. And you can try to kind of bend it on the side away. This can bend.
Oh,
See?
okay.
But try on this one, you probably not be able to bend it because it's so hard.
Oh ya.
It's much harder.
Ya, jadi kalau untuk yang stainless tuh keras sekali. Oke.
If you want to
Okay.
cut it, and you can
Okay.
try
Alright, okay.
cutting the side of it, and then you can
Okay,
feel
can I
the
try?
Stainless one?
Right, both. And,
Both, okay.
and you
Can I
get-
try? Okay.
Try it.
Sure, you can
Thank
just
you.
cut
So
it.
this is
some
the
part of it.
non-stainless.
Okay, this is not
You can cut it.
stainless. Okay.
Yeah, just go harder
Okay.
at it. I mean, it's still
Okay.
hard.
Alright.
It's metal,
Ya,
but
ini gampang. Oke, it's
So
easier. Ya, it's
and this
easy.
is stainless,
Stainless.
so you feel
Okay.
much harder.
Oh my
See, you
god.
cannot even cut it. See,
Wah, I cannot
So-
even cut it.
yeah, so that's the difference.
Ya. Oke, jadi kalau untuk stainless nih keras sekali dia. Oke, thank you.
Usually when people find out we do stainless frets, they say, "Okay, I want stainless frets."
Oh,
It's
okay.
that kind of a,
Yeah.
it's that kind of a thing.
Okay. So, by the way, regarding the fret size, do you have a comparison for the jumbo size frets and the regular size
This
frets?
is the jumbo size
Okay,
that
the
we
jumbo
usually
size.
use,
Okay.
and I think we have a smaller one.
Is it the same as download 6100?
Yes.
Okay.
Not exactly the same, but, really close.
Okay.
Almost the same.
Oke, jadi ini sama ukurannya dengan download yang 6100 yang jumbo.
And this is the kind of a skinny one, but the height is about the same, I believe.
Okay.
And
Okay.
So this one is more like a vintage
That's right. Okay.
frets, but higher.
Oh, okay.
And we have a both nickel silver or the stainless. So this particular one is nickel
Ya.
silver. So you can see the difference.
Oke. Jadi ini untuk yang narrow. This is narrow betul, right? Yeah, narrow tall, right?
The height is the same, but narrower, much narrower.
Yeah.
And for the masterwork, basically you have probably more than 10 options to choose from.
Oke. Jadi untuk pilihan masterwork banyak sekali. Ada yang narrow tall option dan juga untuk yang jumbo option. Oke. So I think I choose this one.
The big one?
Yeah, the jumbo one. Yes.
Jumbo.
Okay.
6100.
Okay. Okay. Can you make the neck width to 41.5 millimeters?
Yes, we could.
Okay. So it will be
A little bit narrower.
Yeah, narrower.
Okay. So
Okay. By the way, for our comparison, can I see the regular neck, the 42?
this probably 42.
42. Okay.
Yeah, 0.1 is really tiny difference. So
different.
probably less than business card thickness.
Okay.
So we might not have a 41.5 neck, but
Oke, jadi ini untuk yang 42 mili. Tadi mau pilih yang 41,5. Cuman mereka juga harus dibuat dulu.
the most standard neck that we build is always 42.
Oh, okay. So if we ask for 41.5.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. Is there any cost?
If
for the
it's
upcharge,
huge
yeah.
difference, like a 40 millimeter, we
40
charge a little more.
Mm.
But just tiny bit of a difference, there is no upcharge. But
Okay.
the stainless steel actually there is I think 150 or so.
Okay.
Yeah, and the production I think we do 100.
Okay.
So Masterworks probably 150, I guess.
Okay.
Roughly.
Roughly. Okay.
Always roughly.
Yeah,
So it
always
depends on materials and
Yeah,
what
yeah.
the guitar is.
Yeah, it's true. Okay, I think I choose the 42 because maybe.
Oh, you want to go 42?
Yeah. So I think I choose the 42 because 41.5 is a tiny difference, but
Right.
maybe.
Yeah, some people I guess prefer. I think some of the fender neck is like 45, 1.5.
Yeah.
So you say 42?
I think yes. Okay, let me check again.
Let me measure exactly. So this one actually a little bit thicker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So 42, it's gonna be a little bit thinner than this.
Yeah. Okay.
Maybe I can find one exactly 42.
Okay.
Should I? Okay. So this is closer to 42. It's like 42.1 something.
Oh, okay.
So this is probably the thickness with the paint on it.
Okay.
Maybe you can feel a little bit
Yeah.
narrower.
So when you paint it, it becomes thicker
Slightly
or
bigger.
Slightly bigger.
Okay.
Okay, so you can make the exact 42, right? Yes. Yeah, because I like this shape.
So 42 with the paint?
42
Yeah,
with the paint?
42 with
So
the
we're
paint.
gonna make
Basically
it-
141.5 then.
Probably.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
probably
yeah.
41.5.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right.
So you want brass nut?
Yeah, using
Okay.
brass nut.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can do that.
Okay. Is there any upcharge between the brass nut and the
We charge I think 100
100
for brass nut.
brass nut?
A
Alright.
little, I mean actually much more difficult to cut.
Ya. Oke, jadi ada perbedaan harga untuk brass nut itu adalah $100. Jadi untuk penambahan pakai brass nut, tapi it's fine. Oke, so what next? So what next
So
point?
compound radius?
Yeah, the radius. Okay.
Yeah, maybe we'll go into Shigeki's office where he has all
Yeah.
the necks hanging up, and he might have some examples of those
Okay, wait.
thicknesses. So the neck radius, the compound, or the
Okay.
12. Do you have anything in your room that would have
Do a comparison.
to compare with?
I think I do.
Okay. Do
But
you have any examples of like
the
radius?
I can measure it.
Yuk kita kesana lagi. Kita mau pilih untuk radius fingerboard ya.
This is 16.
Okay.
Its frets are sharp right now, so maybe difficult to
Okay.
kind of feel it. And this is 14.
14. Okay.
And this is actually more like a 12.
12. Okay.
But
I see.
it's pretty small difference.
Mm.
And then you don't have anything with the compound radius handy.
Oh,
We don't have anything like
Okay.
laying around. We can.
Yeah, other than 7 strings.
But the specs that we showed at NAMM of that Wembley guitar,
The Wembley guitar.
is compound radius.
Yeah,
10
the
to
compound.
14, so.
Okay.
But since you have a scallop,
What do you suggest?
I mean, only you can feel is the frets.
Yeah, the frets.
So, I mean, still, it does make a difference. Compound radius is, if you have a tighter radius at the end,
Yeah.
like a 9 or something, when you bend in the strings,
Yeah.
usually getting fading out.
Yeah, yeah. I
Like
know
a
that.
Fender guitar.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you're trying to go lower action and bending all the way,
Yeah.
it gets buzzing.
Buzzing,
So
yeah.
some people consider compound radius because of it.
Yeah. Okay, I think I choose all flap 12 radius.
12?
12 radius.
Oh, okay. No
Just
compound.
no compound.
No
just
compound,
12.
yeah.
Make it easier on
Yeah.
kids.
The inlay top. Okay. So what
Yes.
option do you have for the inlay top?
Any inlay
Okay.
you can think of. We can put the custom inlay maybe takes extra time.
Oh yeah, yeah. Like that, yeah.
These look really good on it too.
Yeah, the pearl, right?
Yeah, the
Pearl looks
So
really
you
nice.
can
some
do
of
that
yeah.
on
Yeah.
roasted maple. It'll probably show pretty good. Even the white maple shows pretty
Yeah.
good. So depend on the hardware color.
Yeah.
Also,
Okay. So what do you use on the traditional Wembley too? The
we
color.
use regular inlay like that, right?
Yeah.
And if it's the fingerboard is maple,
Yeah, the maple.
I
Yeah.
think we're using black one.
Okay.
I think we're using black one on the maple.
Okay. I think I choose the black inlay is fine.
Black inlay.
Yeah. Okay.
Tuner, we can. So it's since 2-point tremolo. I guess the looking tuner that you choose is the right one.
Well, that guitar is great with the vintage locking that we put on there, the Godos, right?
So the vintage tuner is still locking, right? The locking tuner.
Yeah, they're
but-
locking.
Yes, I can
Yeah.
They're
probably
vintage,
show
so
you.
yeah.
I think we do have it installed. This is the vintage, but still looking.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're really nice.
Yeah, vintage look, but with locking feature, right?
The regular one is like this one.
Yeah.
It's a little heavier.
I see.
So that's like on the Nick Johnston,
Ah,
on
yeah.
the traditionals, but the more
Yeah,
vintage
the-
guitars that looks really
Yeah,
nice.
this one nice. Okay. Okay, I choose this one.
Okay.
Thank you. Oke, jadi kita pilih vintage locking tuner ya. Vintage lock. Oke. Oke, and then
So neck shapers you choose U, correct?
Yeah.
oh yeah,
U-shape.
The
yeah, you
limba neck that
Yeah.
we have. So and finish
This
is
is yeah.
satin. Finish on all the necks.
Same as what we do on the Wembley,
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
So same as the
this
production
is
model.
something- Yeah.
and then the body would get the sonic blue,
Yeah. this one
slightly
blue.
aged.
Yeah, slightly
Do
aged.
you want it
Just
to
like a Nick
be? Do you want it to be slightly aged? Do you want it to be more aged? Because we can do
Yeah.
relic, more relic, less. On a Masterworks, we could.
Okay, I
It's
think.
up to you.
Okay, I think make it as same as the production.
Got it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just
So
like
make it
just like
Wembley
production.
Nick Johnson
Yeah.
piano.
Yeah.
So, okay. By the way, I forgot to ask you guys about the reverse headstock. Yeah, the reverse headstock because I prefer to use the reverse headstock. Yeah. So
Oh,
what is the
reverse
difference?
headstock.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh wow. Okay.
Okay.
The one. So what is the upcharge cost for?
I think there is 100 or 150
Yeah.
each reverse.
Retail.
And I have to find out if they have a reverse version of the same
Okay.
locking tuner.
Okay.
So if they don't, I might have a hard time.
Right. Then you might have to choose the other tuners.
Yeah.
But I can check.
Yeah.
So if he's not able to get them, do you want to use the other tuners? then at that
maybe.
point, or do you want to reverse put their headstock to the
Okay,
normal?
so I think so first maybe you can check for the manufacturers of the
Okay.
hardware, so it is available or not. Then if it is still available, that it will be okay.
Okay.
But if not, then you can give me another option for the hardware.
Well, the other option is the other tuners.
Yes.
Yeah, so you'll go with that then.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
So as long as it is tuner, so it is the locking tuner. That
yeah.
is fine.
Okay. Because it'll be distressed as well, just like they do on the Nick Johnston.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty sure there is a different kind of vintage lefty tuner. Maybe not the same one, but
Okay.
maybe I can also look for it.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll put a
you
question
can-
mark on that part. to
Okay,
see.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
do you wanna have
So it would
a
be like that vintage
like
logo.
that?
Okay. Or do you? Or can I use the big logo?
Sure.
Like the.
Like that? The
Like
white
a
one or
regular
the cream
black
one or
Yeah.
I can show. Let me see if I have
Okay.
the logo. The Wembley that we have use this logo. The regular logo
Yeah,
would,
it's
be,
that one.
would be this one,
Okay.
slightly larger. So this is production
Yeah,
Wembley
and this
logo. This
yeah.
is the most standard logo
Yeah,
that we
standard
use.
logo. Okay, I think I choose this one. The black.
Okay, the black
yeah,
one.
The black one. Yeah, the black big one.
They're probably the best looking,
Yeah.
sharp looking one.
Okay.
You know, we can do different thing on the back. Okay. We usually do laser engraving
Okay.
like this,
Okay.
but for the masterwork we can put anything.
Oh,
Some
yeah.
kind of a symbol you want to add it like this,
Maybe not the symbol,
we can-
but
we can
maybe
do.
yeah.
and it doesn't need to be Sun Valley, California, USA.
Okay.
We can change the wording.
I think this is
So,
the same, but
the
for
same
the
one is
serial
fine.
number I need using the masterwork serial number.
Yeah,
So
it will
start with
definitely
M.
have that.
Yeah,
Right.
so
Do
Oh,
we still
you know
have a
what? The
masterwork?
masterwork is slightly actually different. It does say masterwork on the back.
Yeah. Jadi ini lagi memilih untuk model logo dia stoknya seperti apa.
This
Kita-
is the masterwork, more standard engraving. It does
Okay.
say masterwork,
Okay.
and it does
Yeah.
have M.
M19 and blah blah blah.
So this is exactly
Okay.
just different numbers.
Okay, I think make it just the same as
Okay.
this. Okay.
So
Alright.
same thing on the
Same thing.
neck plate. It's gonna have a masterworks and different numbers.
Okay, for the neck plate, I need the word like this. Made for neoclassical sliders on the neck plate. Is it okay?
For
Neoclassical sliders.
we can, we can arrange and we can let you guys know before we engraving,
Yeah.
and we can put that.
Okay, since this is the traditional Wembley too, so the hardware should be
It's
nickel.
gonna be aged.
Okay.
Yes.
It's nickel. Okay.
And we can
And,
do Dunlop.
Okay, Dunlop flash mount. Can you make it?
The recess into
the
it,
recess
right?
into the
We
body.
can.
Okay.
And this body shape, it can be done.
Okay. Is there any upcharge to doing this?
Actually, I think we charging like 75
Okay,
for the
75.
flash mount.
Okay.
The regular one is like a $25. But
Okay.
flash mount, we have to recess it. So
Okay. By the way, how much the upcharge for this one? For the
For the
white
name?
one? Yeah, for the name.
Yeah, he's gonna do it for you because you're nice.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Normally we would probably charge like $100 for some kind of
Oh, okay.
upcharge, just a thing. But
Okay.
since you're here and
Yeah. Thanks.
yeah, we
Thank you
might
very
have
much.
to figure it out where it
Yeah,
can be,
to
because
arrange.
it's pretty long.
Yeah,
You don't
yeah.
want to change it to two lines.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
but I can actually send a picture to you
Yeah. Yeah.
when I engraving into the wood.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then if you like the layout,
Yeah, the
then
layout
we can
and the
get
positioning.
on to the
Mm.
laser machine. And the masterwork we actually use is this one.
Mm.
It's stainless.
Oh, okay.
And the production we use is actually aluminum.
Oh, oke. Oke, jadi ini untuk yang aluminium, untuk yang production custom shop biasa, sedangkan ini untuk yang masterwork dia pakai besi ini.
On the Wembley too, we use the
Oh,
pakai
yeah,
besi
yeah.
stainless.
it's more of that.
Stainless.
And we have this option as well.
Yeah, this is what we do use
Oh,
on the
yeah.
production.
On the-
So if you wanna have this one, it can be done, but it's gonna engraving will be looking like that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but I think I choose this one because it will be similar with the
It
hardware.
fits with the
Yeah.
it fits with the vibe of the.
Okay.
Yeah. So that one is nickel. This one is nickel or
That's
chrome?
actually chrome.
Chrome, but with edge finish.
We can. This is nickel,
Okay.
and some of the hardware
Mm.
we cannot find nickel. But also I can show you the bridge.
Okay. Oh ya, the bridge is also important. Oke, jadi ini nikel dan ini chrome. Tapi ini chrome-nya dibuat agak ketua-tuaan nih. Chrome-nya agak ketua-tuaan, sedangkan kalau ini nikel nih.
This is chrome
Oke.
with a brass block.
Oke.
And
Nah, ini chrome dengan brass block.
this one is nickel with bent saddle with a little extra aging.
Oke. This is standard spec for the production
that's
model,
the
right?
standard spec.
Yeah.
That one's a
Another-
little more aged.
Another option would be using this steel block.
Oh, oke.
Actually, much more expensive.
Oke.
And if somebody likes a little more sustain,
Mm.
that probably would
Okay.
be the one.
How much for the upsize for this? Using this one?
We don't charge for the
Oh,
muscle,
okay, okay.
so
So I choose to use this bridge
bent
with
saddle with steel block.
this steel block.
Okay.
Okay.
And you wanna age to similar to that?
To that one.
Okay.
Okay, make it same.
Cannot
Jadi
imitate
kita akan
every
memilih yang nikel ini dengan pakai blok yang ini apa steel block nih guys supaya sustainnya lebih mantap. Oke. Oke. Now how about the pickups? Yeah, I like the monster tone stack pickup, but
Okay.
do you have the white color or maybe the edge color?
I don't think we ever made
Mm-mm.
the white one.
Yeah, because I prefer to use the monster tone stack pickup, but with the cover same as the pickguard. Because
Oh, I gotcha. So
yeah,
like
okay.
Nick Johnson type
Yeah.
style.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can we do that, or you?
We have to figure it out.
Okay.
But so you're thinking about something using plastic cover like this?
Mm-hmm.
This is the parchment that we usually use. Oh, the mint green that you pick
Yeah,
the pick guard.
yeah,
So the Nick Johnson model has this. Sorry.
Almost got him.
So it's not mint green, more like a cream.
Yeah, this is cream.
But the Nick Johnson is using this one.
Yeah.
And actually, this is actually old batch.
Yeah.
And the new Wembley Nick Johnson will have actually different. It's slightly different.
Oh, okay.
So
Mm,
a little
yeah.
bit
Very
darker.
slight.
Yeah, it's like
And that's the new one. So there's like different.
Very slight.
very slight different. Almost no difference.
Yeah, like he
Yeah.
can see it because
Yeah.
he's here
Yeah.
all the
Yeah,
time,
yeah,
but
all
we're
the
like going,
Yeah.
that's about
Yeah.
same.
So this is the Nick Johnson mint green.
Yeah, I like this one.
So I mean, we can have this, or we can even have a cream.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay.
It's more like a Gibson
Yeah, Gibson pouch.
P90
Yeah,
kind of
P90
cream. But we have to check if we can do this with the monster tone stack.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a
Because
different
the bobbin
size,
needs
too.
to be
Yeah,
custom
because of the
size.
size.
It's like
This one's a
small
different
one.
size.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bigger.
It's a little
actually.
bigger. It doesn't
Okay.
fit right in there.
I guess we're gonna let you know
Okay,
what
okay,
we
no
can
problem.
do on the monster tone stack.
If we can't do the monster tone stack with the covers,
Yeah.
what would be your second option? Because we've never done it.
Yeah.
We've never done it. So
Okay, I think I will tell you about it later.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
after I get. Yeah.
So if we able to do it,
Yeah.
there might be upcharge because
yeah.
it's gonna be custom.
It's a
Yeah,
custom,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah, that's why. Yeah. Do you know how
So-
much the roughly upcharge for that?
Probably, if one of custom, we have to draw on the computer the extra the custom shape, and then we have to just cut one set of the bobbin, probably 200 to
Okay,
300,
okay.
somewhere around, depend on what we're gonna
Yeah, what the-
have to do to
Okay.
make one.
Okay, and depends on the difficulty to make that.
Right.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So next is okay. The knobs is make it it's parchment.
The same-
So,
same
the
knob?
same
Okay.
knob. Okay. Okay. Regarding the pot, yeah, for the volume pot, I prefer to use the CTS pot, but for the tone knobs, I prefer to use the Bourne's push.
Oh, there's
You know?
a push.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna find out.
Yeah. Okay. But for the option for the push, I need the tone is by space when the
When it's-
position is push. Yeah. When
Okay. So one position will be just bypassing the tone control completely. Okay, we can do that.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna double check with you when I'm ordering
regarding
this one because I don't have in stock.
Okay, yeah.
So when I about ordering, I
Yeah.
let you guys know this is it, right?
Okay.
And then
Alright.
conforming.
Okay, and please let me know regarding the upcharge, because if the upcharge is too high, maybe I prefer to change with the standard push-pull.
Oh, this one, it's not gonna be too much. Probably we talking about $50 or less.
Oh, okay.
So,
Yeah.
just the wiring,
Yeah,
So-
yeah, just wiring. Okay.
and I know enough wiring. So.
Yeah, you know that. Okay, so next, okay, the switch is standard 5-way.
Yes.
CRL.
Yeah, that's what we use.
Okay, okay.
I'm not
And
gonna
then
use
how about
cheap.
the output jack? Is
It's a switchcraft.
switch cap. Okay.
Yeah, we don't use cheap one.
Okay, yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. But the jack plate is same as the standard production model.
We can
Jack-
change, but there might not be too many options.
You want it to be the same as the standard?
I
or-
think yeah.
Yeah, he wants
Okay.
the same as the standard.
Yeah,
Okay.
only one package. So the jack plate is the edged look like.
Yes, I can show you. This one's a pre-made, so it's gonna be kind of like that. And if you don't want to have too much aging on the nut and washer,
Yeah.
we can make it lighter. But
Okay.
each one's slightly different because kind of when you aging, it comes out a little bit different.
Okay.
So
So the shape is not like this, but similar as fender, right? Because the traditional Wembley 2 is same as the fender, right? Or
no,
No,
actually, the
it's
model uses this one.
model
But
uses that
for
one.
the model,
okay, yeah.
for the masterwork, we can change.
Yeah.
Oh,
The jack can
This
be on the
is-
top.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see, it's not.
We
Oh
can,
yeah,
we can
yeah.
use something like that.
Yeah. I think
This
I choose
is better?
One. Yeah.
Okay.
This is better. Okay.
So
So what is the jack plate?
you can write it down, deep dish jack.
Deep dish jack. Like some kind of
Yeah,
pizza you get at Jack in the Box.
So we,
Okay, and-
I think we
and
gotta
we-
get the nickel one.
Okay, yeah. Please use the edge look. So make it edge look for
Like
this
this
one.
one?
Yeah.
This one's slightly
Yeah. Okay.
aged.
Okay. So I don't need the back plate. So no black plate.
Oh, you
No,
don't
like-
want any
yeah.
backplate, just open
Yeah, just
cavity?
open. Yeah, just open cavity.
Not even hole or
Yeah,
anything?
no.
Okay.
No.
So I have to be really careful.
Okay.
I accidentally want to put it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No back plate.
No back plate. Okay, the wiring is on the push position, the tone is bypass, and when pull position, the tone is walking.
Right.
Yeah.
But is that
Yeah.
physically you can tell on the push? The
Yes.
height changes a little bit. When you push one
Yeah.
more time, it gets higher
Yeah.
and
Push down.
gets lower. Okay.
Yes.
Some push switches just doesn't change.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
But this one does change.
Yeah, just
Okay.
change. Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, I think I choose the string gauge. Sorry, just make it to 9 to 42.
Okay.
Yeah. So make it lighter.
42.
Yeah, 9 to 42.
That's the most difficult one with the
Is
brass nut. And the
Really?
reverse headstock, actually really tricky.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh okay.
And I mean, I think I can make it happen, but with the two-star tremolo,
Mm.
with the brass nut and the reverse and the strap, I mean the retainer on it,
Yeah.
it's kind of challenge to keep it staying in tune when you're using tremolo.
Okay.
But I
What do you
think,
suggest?
I mean,
Okay,
the,
when you-
Make a suggestion because you.
Yeah.
If he's gonna,
Yeah,
if it's not
you
quite
know. Yeah. You know the best.
10 to
if
46.
If it's, I mean, 9 is just I have to cut it so small thin, like a skinny, but at the same time, it have to be tight enough. Oh, I mean, high probably fine because we want headstock.
Okay.
Probably the low E is the challenging one because it's really long.
Yeah.
Sometimes losing actually tension because of it. Some people think reverse headstock getting more better tension on the low E. So sometimes actually opposite.
Oh,
Because
okay.
much longer and the high E angle is going to be like this, but the
yeah.
low E usually because of this
Yeah.
this place, the low
Yeah.
E usually angle is like that.
Yeah.
But when you have a reverse, angle is much shallower.
Mm.
So loses tension there.
Oh yeah.
Actually, even having a retainer there.
Yeah.
So if somebody wants to have a really tight the we.
Okay.
I usually don't recommend reverse headstock because of it. But
Would you recommend just 10 to 46? Is that
I mean, I think it's okay to have a 9 to 46 because
Okay.
the shredder
Okay.
usually likes
Okay,
9.
distinction. Okay.
Yeah,
So.
because it's really easy to bend.
Yeah, he had 9 to 42.
Oh, 9 to 42?
942 or 946?
Which one do you think?
Oh, yeah,
'Cause of
maybe
the
9 to
thickness?
46.
9 to 46. Okay.
But I make sure set it up 9 to 42 as well when we put it
Okay.
together. So both double check.
Okay.
Either way works fine.
Okay.
So we can do that.
All right. Okay.
Is that everything?
Okay.
I think we got it.
Uh,
Anything else?
Okay, anything else?
Next
maybe?
page is
By the
our-
way, regarding the fret wires option, that I think I'm still thinking about if using the stainless one, the stainless fret one, or the the German nickel one.
Oh, okay.
I mean the
You're still crossing your mind.
Because actually I do prefer the standard. I mean the non stainless because actually I don't too really into the stainless fret.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because
yeah,
the
we
sound
can
is-
change. Okay, so
yeah, because
regular
the
fret
fret-
wire.
Okay, I think the regular fret wire is fine because I prefer for the vintage more vintage sound and
Yeah,
more
with
dark,
the vintage it will be.
yeah, and more
Okay.
warmer sound, right? Yeah, because
you sure?
because the stainless steel press is brighter sound.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Probably if you we really have to compare to hear
Yeah.
the difference,
Yeah.
but you can probably feel a lot more than you can hear.
Yeah.
The stainless steel, you feel like sliding nicely on top of it. The regular one, you can kind of feel digging into it when you're trying to bend it really hard. So some people who like stainless, because of it, it just doesn't have a feeling that digging into the metal. It's just
okay.
really slippery on.
And they
on the
don't wear
surface.
down as fast.
Right.
Yeah,
So-
they're more durable. Really,
Oh
is
yeah,
basically
yeah,
what it
yeah.
There's
yeah,
one
that is
dealer,
horrible.
The guitar player uses stainless steel, nothing to do with sound or anything because of the feel.
Oh,
so
because of the
there's
feel.
people like that too.
Oh, okay.
So, but
Okay.
the sound wise,
Yeah, it's sound
warmer on the regular one.
Yeah, the sound is warmer.
But it's more durable.
Yeah. it's
So
more
we
durable.
don't need to refret.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We
That's
don't
the
need to
main
refret.
point.
Yeah, that's the main
that's-
point.
yeah, that's-
You can also let us know. I mean, you're going to finalize these specs by email. And
Yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah.
you can just tell us, think
Yeah.
about it, tell
Yeah.
us when
Yeah.
you send it in. It's
Mhm.
no problem.
Yeah, okay. I think for now we stick for the stainless.
Okay.
Now, okay. So okay. So anything else?
The cases, you wanted to see the
yeah.
cases.
In the near future, we try to do this. I probably should have brought that up. On video. Yeah, so we're using the same. Yeah, this is
If you wanna have something special, I can order one-off custom case.
Okay.
We probably usually charge $250 and up,
Yeah.
Okay.
but you can have a different
Yeah,
pipe,
different logo or
different.
maybe different
threading.
class. Okay.
And this one has a leather. Leather actually has downside of it. Kind of when
Okay.
you press something, it just never goes out.
Oh, okay.
So the vinyl one like this might be easier to handle because it doesn't scratch easily.
Yeah.
But a leather one, if you nail it, that's it. You're gonna have a
Yeah.
scratch.
And how about maybe for the option for the tweed case? For the
We
tweed-
could do that. The
Oh.
tweed one is more like a cloth one or like a coated one. There's two different kind. The regular one is like a cloth,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
there's another option. Looks like some kind of a coating is on it. Looks
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of shiny a little bit.
Maybe I prefer for the traditional one.
Okay.
Yeah. So not coating. Not
Okay.
coating on it. Yeah.
I think I can order. And the interior, the regular
Maybe the
regular color like orange or
the red plus. I think.
red one
Yeah, the red one. The red one. And do you know how much the uptouch to
for the case.
Yeah, for the case.
We might be able to do the same, no charge.
Oh, alright.
So-
okay.
I would say it's going to be an upcharge because if you have to spend the time to order one case,
Okay.
there's
but-
an
yeah.
upcharge for that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's going to be it's a lot of he's got to put extra work into doing it
Yeah,
and
yeah.
ordering it. So we'll let you know exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
But
we
I
will let
expect that
you
there
know.
would be a little bit
Right.
of an upcharge
Yeah,
for that
yeah.
because otherwise,
But it's not gonna be like 300, 400
Right.
or anything
Oh, okay.
like that.
right.
Right. Just
Alright,
probably
okay.
just a little bit.
Oke, jadi kita tadi membicarakan untuk masalah hardcase, custom hardcase juga, tapi mereka akan ngecek nanti gimana untuk penambahan hardcase-nya. Ya kita lihat nanti gimana.
All right. Well, what we'll do is he'll put together a final confirmation of the
Alright,
specs
okay.
for the Masterworks,
Okay.
and he will email that. We'll email that to you
Okay.
with the price, rough
Yes.
price, and then if you
Everything.
accept these specs as they are,
Yeah.
the price will stay. If you make
Yeah.
changes, then we'll have to come back
Alright,
and give you the
okay.
updated price,
Okay.
and then we can give you at that time the estimated time that it can be
Time.
finished.
Alright. Oke guys, jadi ini semua kita sudah membuat semua. Jadi nanti mereka akan membuat summary dari semua spek ini, nanti di email ke kami dan kami akan ngecek lagi apakah semuanya sudah benar. Nanti kalau kita sudah oke, ya udah nanti kita akan mengokekan dan kita siap di order. Oke, and one last question. Do you know the rough estimation of this all?
It's kind of hard
It
to
might be hard to do that.
do
He
that, but
needs time for
probably
that. Yeah.
probably between
Probably.
somewhere low part of 5,000 to
Okay, bye-bye.
lower 6,000.
Okay.
It could be wrong, but
Yeah.
somewhere there. It
And that's
could
the
be
retail
lower
price.
than that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have to
Oke,
really
you have to
calculate.
double check. Jadi rough estimation-nya untuk spek seperti ini adalah sekitar di 5.000-an, sekitar di 5.000 USD. Itu adalah untuk rough estimation atau perkiraan kasaran. Nanti mereka akan ngecek lagi sebelum nanti akan di email kembali untuk final speknya, final summary-nya semuanya. Nah, nanti kita akan tahu. Tapi untuk rough estimation atau estimasi kasarnya adalah di 5.000 United States dollar. Oke. So, anything else?
Think you're good?
Right?
Oke.
We'll let you know as soon as we have the quote, and
Alright.
we'll go from there.
Oke, thank you guys. Mungkin sudah lihat semuanya. Thank you Ryan
Thank
for
you,
your time.
Thank you very
And
much.
thank you si Kiki and for your time.
Appreciate it.
And kita akan melihat lagi di 6 sampai 8 bulan ke depan. So it will be takes time to from 6 to 8 months later from now.
It's
Yeah.
anywhere from 4 to 8 months.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah,
Depends on the amount of guitars that he's
Okay.
making, because we do have only one guy making.
Oh ya, yeah, the one.
So,
Ya. Jadi itu akan jadi estimasi waktunya adalah sekitar 6 bulan ke depan dan ya kita tunggu saja gimana hasilnya, nanti kita akan post lagi ke depan. Oke, terima kasih guys sudah melihat kami semua di sini pengerjaan Masterwork dan sampai ketemu lagi di video kami yang berikutnya. Thank you. Oke, guys. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Nah guys, tuh tadi udah denger ya suaranya dari gitar ini. Dan ini dia, gitarnya sudah jadi. Dan yang tadi kalian udah dengerin soundnya keren banget dan asik banget ya. Jadi bener-bener ketika gitar ini nyampe, apa yang gue minta ke mereka itu benar-benar sesuai banget dengan ekspektasi dan bayangan gue. Dari pertama membayangkan hingga menjadi hasil jadi ya. Jadi kalau kita perhatikan dari sini ya, dari elemen-elemen yang terpakai, dari mulai download plus mount-nya, sampai juga di push ini untuk di bypass ya si kapasitornya. Kemudian juga di belakang nih guys, tuh tidak ada backplate karena memang gue tidak suka backplate ya, jadi nggak ada screw hole-nya, nggak ada. Terus kemudian juga dia dengan warna ini nih, ini mint green cakep banget. Dan juga untuk si ini plastik partnya ini untuk cover pickup dan juga untuk knobnya juga warnanya cream nih, asik. Terus kemudian juga, nah ini juga sama nih, dia pemilihan ini roasted maple-nya nih gelap banget nih, jadinya keren banget, ini keren abis. Dan juga untuk stainless jumbo fret ya, ini juga asik banget, jadi udah jumbo dan juga bahannya stainless juga. Kemudian inlay-nya juga dia pakai ini perloid, juga untuk side dot-nya juga. Nah kemudian ini nih guys, ini juga dia di scallop ya. Scallopnya juga asik, jadi nggak terlalu deep banget, tapi juga nggak terlalu landai. Jadi kalau kita buat main vibra dan juga untuk dimainin biasa pun juga masih sangat nyaman sekali ya. Kemudian ini nih guys, ini nih nutnya nih, brass nut. Nah kemudian juga dengan reverse headstock nih, sesuai banget dengan harapan dan ekspektasi gue ya, cakep banget dengan reverse headstock gini, dan juga pakai locking guys. Dan satu yang terakhir nih yang paling keren banget dari customnya si Schecter ini, yaitu ini dia guys, custom serial number guys, GMS 6005, ini dia. Jadi apa nih guys kesimpulannya, kalau mau custom order Schecter yang Masterwork bisa konsultasikan langsung ke kita ya, jadi mendapatkan hasil ekspektasi yang benar-benar sesuai yang kalian harapkan ya. Atau mungkin yang bukan Masterwork, mau USA custom shop biasa juga bisa konsultasikan ke kami, dan dijamin pasti puas karena kita juga paham untuk gimana menyusun spek gitar dan mereka juga tahu apa yang kalian inginkan. Oke, sekian dulu untuk video tentang custom gitar langsung dari pabriknya si Schecter Custom Shop USA ya. Dan jangan lupa ya, video kita di like, di share informasi ini, di subscribe juga supaya bisa dapat informasi edukasi berikutnya, dan pantau terus video dari Gus Gitar dan nantikan lagi video-video keren kami berikutnya. Thank you guys, thanks for watching ya.